Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today I'm going to be talking about an exciting feature that's been brought to the new project creation in Easel. When I create a new project, I'm brought to the design window, and overlaid over top of that is a smaller window that asks me what I'm making. I can enter the name of my project, and Easel will auto-populate projects from the Easel project gallery that fit the name of my design. And I can search through them to find one that fits well with what I'm trying to make. Once I've found one that I like, I can hover over it, and there'll be a blue Make It button. When I select that, it brings me into a copy of the project that's been added to my Easel account. Here, I can make edits. And I'm ready to carve this project. This is really great if you're trying to create a project and somebody's already made most of the project you're looking for and all the heavy lifting is done, and you can go in and make really simple edits to make the project yours while not having to go through all of the work of designing a project. If you decide when you create a new project that you just want to enter your name and then start creating the project from scratch, go ahead and select a category from the categories, just on the off chance, and then create it. And then when you're ready, or if you're ready to share the project, when you click share to gallery, the gallery collection will already be selected for you, making it easier for other users to find your shared projects. That's a little bit more about the new What You're Making feature in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.